Options continued. In this video, we are going to continue with the options. So again, go to the File menu and find Options at the bottom of the screen. Notice there is an option Language. This option is intended for those users that are working with foreign languages. There is a tab that you can get more help in the form of tips directly from office.com while working with foreign languages. The next one is Advanced tab, which allows everything from how drag and drop is controlled, how cut, copy and paste is controlled, and how compatibility is controlled. Notice Lotus compatibility at the bottom of the screen. I have web options and I even have some general components too. The idea here is to control how the content is on a piece of paper. If I am working with the threaded processing, which has to do with the speed of your computer, it looks after how I'm going to calculate the workbook, how I'm going to display options on the workbook, how I'm going to look at my scroll bars, what I'd like to do with different indicators, and what I want to do with charts, prints, images, and even in editing options. The advanced area has a great deal of information. Here, I want to recommend you to make use of Help menu to change any of the features in Excel. You can type in what you are looking for and let Excel tell you where to find it. Under Advanced option, there are Customize ribbon and Quick Access toolbar, which we have already discussed. The idea here is that we can get to it by going to the Quick Access toolbar or the ribbon, or we can go to the option screen. Both let us go into the customization aspect of it. Notice there is an Add-ins section which is used when creating something through the use of code or purchasing a third-party vendor solution. Finally, we are noticing the Trust Center. The Trust Center is where I can turn on security and give permission for the use of macros on a particular screen. For example, with macros I am actually writing code. I can accidentally open something up for a hacker. As a result, we'll be careful on who we actually give permission to work on macros. This is where we can set that up. So give time to yourself to explore the Options menu deeply. Make use of Help menu to move around. Understand the terminologies like columns, rows, headings, cells, etc.